First, place the gradient on the material rack. The level value should be close to 0. The rack is supported by the 4 feet below. The value is not close to 0. Adjust the screws of the 4 feet with tools. Calibration method of the other machine is the same. It is necessary to make the level approaching 0. Put the raw material into the feeding shaft and place the fixing block on the shaft. Make sure the back fixing block is connected with the cloth axis. Tighten the 2 screws on the front fixing block by Allen wrench to fix the raw material. Pull the raw material from one side and pass it over the 2 feeding rods. Now we can start to connect the cloth. Align and stick the raw material and the remaining cloth together with double-sided adhesive tape. Then tighten the raw materials as much as possible. The installation method of the remaining raw materials is the same. After all raw materials are connected, back to control panel of forming machine, click manual, the machine will start feeding. Make the raw materials flow in normally. During this process, manual assistance is needed to get the fabric through. Passing through the material induction sensor, the 5 feeding rods, the pressing plate. Adjust the position of the fabric appropriately. Then passing through the edge curling piece, the side welding roller, the rubber feed roller. Now the machine can work normally. Click Auto. The machine will automatically feed. The adhesive cloth is too thick to cut. We need to take it out. The raw material installation end. Turn the 4 screws to loosen and remove them. Then remove this disc. Put the well-packed rolled nose wire on the disc and put on another disc. Tighten the 4 fixing rods outward with 4 screws. Now we can put nose wire round disc on the feeding shaft. Finally, fix the fixing block screws. Unpack the packing film of the nose wire roll. Pull the nose wire from the disc. Pass through the pulley 1. Pulley 2. Put the protruding single core of the nose wire upward and feed it into straightener. The rubber feed roller. The fixed length driving roller. The guide tube. The cutter holder. Just feed it into the cutter position. After installation, we can push down the 2 pulleys and tighten the 2 screws to fix the straightener. The second way to feed the nose wire into the straightener. Now we can click manual to observe whether the nose wire can be passed smoothly. If it can be passed smoothly, the installation of the nose wire is finished. Insert the ear loop from the upper rod and pull it down. Feed it into feeding hole. The iron roller can be moved to make the ear loop pass smoothly. Then insert it into pulley 1 at the bottom and pulley 2. Pulley 3 above. Back to the control panel. Click Power On to start machine. Click Hotkey. Click Manual Operation, then click the ear pressure zone to open the cylinder. Now we can pass the ear loop to the press cylinder. The ear loop should be feeding into the scissors position. At this time, another person is needed to click the ear pressure zone to close the ear loop clamping cylinder. The operation of other side ear loop is the same method. Click Hotkey. Click Automatic Operation. Click Start. The machine works.